Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef yakhni pulao easy guide. First, brown the beef in batches to seal juices, then sauté sliced onions until deep golden. Add garlic, ginger, and whole spices for a fragrant base, followed by water or stock. Parboil the rice separately for even cooking, then combine gently with the beef and simmer on low until flavors meld and rice is tender. Begin by toasting cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, and bay leaves to release aroma, then add oil and onions to the pot. Add beef and brown lightly before pouring in water to make the yakhni broth, and add ginger, garlic, and salt. Simmer gently for 1.5 hours or until the beef is tender, skimming foam as needed, then strain the broth and reserve both meat and clarified stock for layering with rice. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy cooking guides. Quick recommendation: I love the Oala water bottle for staying hydrated while cooking. It's spill-resistant and easy to grab between steps. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick one up. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Parboil the rinsed basmati rice for 6 to 8 minutes, then drain and set aside. Layer the rice and shredded beef in a heavy pot, adding warmed yakhni or saffron milk between layers for richness and color. Cover tightly with a lid and cook on the lowest heat, or use a heat diffuser for 20 to 25 minutes to steam gently. Rest for 10 minutes before fluffing to preserve grains and aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.